Do you want to see your recordings on Apple Watch? If yes, then this video is going to show you how to see recordings on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Just like your iPhone, when you record on iPhone, all your recordings are saved on Notes. This is different from what happened on Apple Watch. But here, I'm going to show you how to easily spot all your recordings on your Apple Watch. So the first thing you want to do is you want to press the two crown once to exit the watch face. Once you press the two crown once, use the two crown to scroll down to voice memo. This, the voice memo, this. Click on it. And once you click on the voice memo, beneath the voice memo record button, this, if you click on that, it's going to start recording. But beneath it, you're going to have all your recordings on the same page. You see that? So if I go ahead and click on record, to record this particular voice memo, and once I'm done recording, I just click on stop. Then the voice memo will be added to the screen automatically. You see that? And then you can now go ahead, click on the recordings like this. Then click on the play button. You see that? So that is basically how to see recordings on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.